Kumana na wendia wa shares ya kambuni ya Kenya Pipeline. Leo bururi-ini hotete kugania kimanjika gya ciringi birioni 6.7 kuria shares irendagio na ciringi 9.
The overvaluation or the overpricing is in the minds of people who are against this IPO. But look at the interest. You think our institutional investors, they were saying we are forcing institutional investors, but they have subscribed 3 times, meaning they had interest. So who was forcing them to oversubscribe? 3 times. Institutional investors. Many private. Not even public.
Akiheana utheri wa thugura ino, Minister wa KIGINA John Mbadi augite AKENYA ni marayukiria thugura ino na njira nene makigura shares birioni 7.9. Bururi wa Uganda na Rwanda hamwe na mabũrũri mangĩ gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika ya irathĩro makigura shares za birioni 3.8.
The retail investors were repeating their expression of interest. Someone today offers to buy 100 shares because that was the minimum, puts 900 shillings, the following day puts another 900 shillings, clearly demonstrating that this was a people-driven IPO and that we are truly democratizing the ownership of what have been known as government-owned enterprises.
Ni thuguri Mbadi augite rayukithio na njira nene ni mabũrũri maria turigainie. Ũndũ ũrĩa ũratũmire bũrũri kũmekĩrĩra gĩthimi gĩa shares iria mangĩgũra. Bũrũri wa Rwanda ũkĩgũra shares ici kũhĩtũkĩra kĩgĩna kĩa aruti wĩra kĩa ũkũrũ-inĩ.
So if you look at this, Kenyans, together with their government, we still own 79% in KPC. And about 21% is going to be owned by East African community. The rest of our brothers in the East African. And almost nothing to foreigners.
Ona kuri uguo thirikari gukorwo na uramati wa gicunji kia 35 gya shares kambuni-ini ino kuria namo mabũrũri ma Afrika ya irathĩro magukorwo na uge wa gicunji kia 21.2 gya shares.
The total number of shares applied for stood at 12,486,078,724, translating to an overall subscription rate of 105.7%.
Mbadi oigite kigina giki gikwamba kuigwo thabu-ini ya bũrũri yo Consolidated Fund mbere ya bunge heanite mwerekera wa uria cikuhuthika.
The key role of the National Infrastructure Fund is to mobilize long-term financing for major projects, attract private investment, and reduce reliance on public debt and taxes for development.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Maina, Kihumo.